Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss this important topic, find HCF by division method. So in previous lecture we discussed HCF by factorization. So today I will discuss this division method, find HCF by division method. Okay. So see, these are two polynomials are given, x cube plus 3x square minus 16x plus 12, and then other one is x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8. Okay, these are two polynomials. So students, find division method. So firstly you need to find the greater polynomial. So which is the greater polynomial? So check your degree. First term x cube, and in this polynomial the first term is x cube. It means both have the same degree, x cube. Then check coefficient. In this polynomial coefficient is 1. In other polynomial coefficient is also 1. It means both are same. Then move to second term. So in this term x square. But in this one the coefficient is plus 1 and here plus 3. It means this is a greater polynomial and this is a smaller. Okay. So make a box for division, long division method. Students, carefully, this is very most important topic, find HCF, and this is a little bit difficult as compared to factorization. Okay. So the large value is this one. So work as dividend x cube plus 3x square minus 16x plus 12. And this is a smaller, so it polynomial act as divisor. You need to write outside the box. X cube plus x square minus 10x and plus 8. Okay, this one. Okay. So students, start the procedure. Firstly, x cube and x cube, the first term divided by the first term only, x cube divided by x cube, and then result is 1. So write down the 1. Okay. Firstly, x cube divided by x cube. So result is 1, and the 1 and this result multiply the whole this polynomial and write in this form. So when 1 multiply this polynomial, then it becomes x cube plus x cube and plus x square, write down here plus x square, minus 10x minus the 10x, and 1 multiply 8, it becomes plus 8. Okay. I hope so you understand this one. 1 multiply this whole term, whole polynomial, and write the answer is this in this place. So these two polynomials subtract each other, and due to subtraction the sign of other term will be changed. Plus change into minus, this plus change into minus, minus change into plus, and plus change into minus. Okay. This one. These all term sign becomes change. So x cube and x cube plus x cube, this is the minus x cube, they cancel with each other. And here plus 3 minus 1, it becomes 2 x square, because 3 minus 1 is 2, and here minus 16 and plus 10, not minus 10 because the sign has changed. Minus 16 plus 10, it becomes minus 6x. Plus 12 minus 8, it becomes plus 4. Okay, 2x square minus 6x plus 4. See student, in finding the HCF highest common term, okay, you need only common, not a non-common term. Therefore, in this polynomial, see this, 2x square minus 6x plus 4, it means the 2 is a common term, so take 2 common. This one, it becomes x square minus 6, 2 take common as a common, so the 3 is remaining term, 3x. Similarly, 4, 2 take common and it becomes 2. Okay, x square minus 3x plus 2, common, take 2 common. Common means divides the polynomial, okay. Therefore 6 becomes 3 and 4 becomes 2 and this 2 becomes 1. So 2 take common. Students, in these two polynomial, the first polynomial is this one and the other this one, and 2 common. Understanding the main key point, students, we focus on this one. This 2 is a common factor in this polynomial, but this 2 is not in this polynomial. It means 2 is only the factor of this single one. So 2 is the single one, okay. The 2 is the common of this single polynomial, not in this one. Therefore, this one, 2 is not a common factor in both polynomial. In both polynomial, therefore neglect it. Okay, therefore neglect it because 2 is a non-common. So only these are 2 polynomials are left, this one and this one. Okay, the one point. And the other point is x square minus 3x plus 2. So in this one, x square, this polynomial becomes smaller. Now x square minus 3x plus 2 is smaller as compared to this one. So switch this one. Now x square minus 3x plus 2, this is become smaller as compared to this divisor. Okay, this divisor polynomial. So it switched to each other and x square minus 3x plus 3 now it becomes divisor. Okay, this become as a divisor. And this divisor polynomial, it becomes as a dividend. Move to inside and this one it moved to outside. Minus 10x plus 8. Okay, and now similar to this one, divide here, first term, x cube, x square, first term divide with this one, and then x is 1. And now x multiply this whole polynomial and write here. X cube minus 3x square and plus 2x. Okay? How? This x multiply this complete polynomial x cube minus 3x plus 2. When x multiply this one, here, write it there here, and the sign, this step. Similar to this step, the sign of term has changed. Okay, and then first term x cube cancel with each other, and the remaining factors 1 plus 3, it becomes a 4. X square minus plus minus 12x plus 8. Okay, so in this case x square and divisor also x square, so it able to divide. Okay, so not take common, you can also take common 4 in all, but here this is possible to divide, so you can also divide or you can take common, it's depend on you. But in this case I not take common, I divide by this one. Okay, 4x square divided by 4x square first term divided by first term, and then 4x square divided by x square, the first term divided by first term. 4 is when, now 4 multiply this and here. So same sign becomes change. See students, 4x square cancel, 12x cancel, and 8 cancel. Okay, so 0 is remaining. All terms are cancelled with each other. So students, what is the result of this one? This first step, this second step, but where is my result? Where is HCF? This is the most important point. Where is HCF? This one is the HCF. This one is the HCF. X plus 4 is the HCF, or the 0 is the HCF. So the most point is HCF is the divisor. This one, the divisor of the two polynomial at the stage where the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, then the divisor of polynomial is called HCF. Okay. The last divisor, you also can say the last divisor of whole process at which the remainder is 0. Okay, the last divisor is called HCF. This one, HCF. X square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, this is the most important point. HCF is x square minus 3x and plus 2. Okay, so students, this is the question and this is the topic to find HCF by Devian method, and I hope so you understand all these steps. The most important point, this one too. Why it becomes neglect? Because this 2 is only in one polynomial. This is not a common in both polynomial, therefore I neglect it. Okay, so I hope so you understand this one, but if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.